Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So whenever you try to open any Excel file from the search box and when you click on it, you are receiving this pop-up which says, how do you want to open this file? However, when you go to File Explorer and when you try to open the file from the Explorer, it's opening fine. So when you try to open it from File Explorer, it's opening fine. Only when you search it in the search box and when you try to open from here, you are receiving this pop-up. So if you're facing this problem, then please follow the steps shown in this video. To fix this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to apps, and then click on default apps. Type in .docx, click on it. By default, Word would be selected over here, click on it, and then select Notepad. Now click on OK. Now go to File Explorer and then try to open the file which is giving you the pop-up. So go to the location, open File Explorer. It is necessary to open File Explorer and then go to the location and then try opening the file. So whichever file is giving you that pop-up, try to open that file. Now once you are done opening the file, now go to settings, then go to apps, default apps, then again type in .docx, and then from Notepad change it to Word and then click on OK. Now you have to repeat the process. So whichever file is giving you that pop-up, you can first of all select Notepad, then open that file from File Explorer. It is important to open that file from File Explorer and then change it to Word. Now also type in .xls and then click on .xls and select Excel from the option. Make sure that you select Excel, then click on OK. Also select .xlsx and then select Excel from here. And that should help you to fix this pop-up. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.